Okay. This is Buzzy, a bird who isn't very nice. You have a rake, not to hit the bird, but to protect yourself, because he likes to sometimes, you know, bite your boot, or for some reason bite you. So you just kind of block yourself away from the bird. He sometimes bites or goes around it really fast, and sometimes still bites you and gets shoelaced. I'm not sure why he wants to bite your shoelace. You're gonna break my shoelace, dude. But that's Buzzy. Mean little turkey. That's Buzzy. You just say, "Get back, Buzzy." And usually he listens. Or he just comes back over here and bites you. Or he's on revenge. And then there's our hawk. Our hawk. Ugh. No. Stop biting. Ow!